Every OEM I talk to about convenience kits starts from the same blind spot. They picture the kit as a box of parts they bought from other people. FDA does not see it that way. FDA sees one finished device that the OEM manufactures. Under the agency's convenience kit policy, whoever assembles or markets the kit is the manufacturer. The kit carries your UDI, the kit carries your name. Here is the LSO context for this conversation. FDA registered, ISO 3485 certified, 12 cleanrooms across 3 facilities. The public record is full of kit owners absorbing recalls for upstream failures they did not cause. 3 different kits, 3 different upstream defects, 1 consistent pattern. Medline managed a Class 1 recall after a third party's saline and sterile water lost sterility assurance. Alcon recalled ophthalmic procedure packs because pouches had incomplete seals, and a contract kit assembler had to over-label kits containing contaminated alcohol prep pads. There is a quieter failure mode that fragmented supply chains create on their own. When components are already sterilized, then the whole kit gets terminally sterilized. You may be sterilizing those components a second time. CDRH has flagged this directly. The interaction only exists once both processes sit in the same kit. Nobody owns it because the seams between vendors are where these programs break. You cannot make the recall liability disappear. FDA put it on you. What you can change is how many independent failure points sit upstream of your finished kit. That is the case for putting component control, assembly, sterile barrier sealing, and terminal sterilization under one quality management system. Supplier control under Clause 7.4, sealing and sterilization validation under 7.5.6 and ISO 11607, traceability under 7.5.9, one controlled environment under 6.4. The recall is going to have your name on it either way. The question is whether you have the records, the validated processes, and the contamination control to make it a narrow action instead of a wide one. Let's pressure test your kit program before FDA does.